We want to solve sine 2x minus 30 degrees is minus 0.6 for values of x between 0 and 360. We're looking for values of x between 0 and 360. So for 2x, we would look for values between 0 and 720. And for 2x minus 30, we would look for values between minus 30 and 690. In practice, using this last one can be difficult and can make the diagram cluttered. So it's possibly best to ignore this, work with this one, and then make adjustments if we find any solutions that don't fit back into the required range. We're going to use the cast diagram in the normal way, and we're looking to solve the equation sine 2x minus 30 degrees is equal to minus 0.6. 2x minus 30 degrees, therefore, will be equal to the inverse sine or shift sign of minus 0.6. This is our principal value, and this is minus 36.87 degrees to 2 decimal places. We can mark this on the cast diagram. Minus 36.87 degrees is here, and since we're dealing with a sign which is negative, the other one will be in the t quadrant. Remember, sign is positive in A and S. By symmetry, 38.7 degrees below the horizontal axis, as shown. So we look for solutions between 0 and 720. Starting at 0, we go round past 180 by 36.87 degrees. So 2x minus 30, first solution, will be 180 plus the 36.87, 216.87. The next solution is here, 36.87 before we get to 360, so 323.13 degrees. We go on through 360 and continue around until we meet the next solution. Remember, this solution is 360 degrees since we met this one, so add 360 onto the 216.87 to get 576.87 degrees, and then continue on to meet this solution. Again, this is 360 degrees since we met this solution, so add 360 onto that solution to get 683.13 degrees. There are no more solutions if we continue on to 720 degrees. So adding 30 to each of our existing solutions gives us 2x. So 246.87, 353.13 degrees. The next one is 606.87 degrees, and finally 30 onto 683.13 is 713.13 degrees. To get the final solutions, we need to divide each of these by 2, and we'll give the answer to 1 decimal place. So 123.4 degrees, 176.6 degrees, 303.4 degrees, and finally 356.13 0.6 degrees. And note how all the solutions are in the range 0 to 360. There was no need for any adjustment to be made, but the next example gives us a solution outside the range and we do need to make an adjustment.